Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO stuff. Today, now I'm back again. Today we are going to make a photo shoot. As you can see, I'm from makeup and I'm going to show you how I'm going to photograph myself. So what you see here is a DSLR. You can also use your iPhone to take the photos, and if I'm using my iPhone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a ring light on my iPhone, and this is the small ring light. And most of you who wonder where you can buy a ring light, check in the description link below. You'll find a link to my Amazon affiliate links, and you'll find this ring light for like I think 12 bucks. You'll be able to afford it, so it's not so expensive. So with this ring light I can also take some selfies with my phone. And what I can also do is I can also use this DSLR camera with natural light, because I'm sitting in my studio. There is lots of natural light flooding in, and the DSLR has really better capabilities, and you can enlarge the photo, do lots of things, shoot in manual. But what's very good about the DSLR cameras, you can use any lens you want. And for myself, I prefer using the 50mm lens, macro lens, which you can get to 0.3 meters close up. So this lens gives you a lot of detail when you shoot with it. So it's not really like it's a full frame lens, but I'm using it with a crop sensor camera, which is the Sony Alpha. But I get so beautiful photos with it, but I need a lot of light while I'm using it. So you have to use a lot of outside light, and also maybe a little bit of internal light. I cannot use the ring light with this because it's too small, but I have another ring light I can put on it, but I don't think for this shoot it's necessary. So I'm going to use just this camera, and I'm going to take some selfies first just to see how this will photograph. So most of you will be wondering, maybe, how am I going to photograph myself? Okay, I have the camera, I have the lens. Do I need an assistant? No, I don't need an assistant, because we are in quarantine and we cannot hire anyone to come and assist us. So that's why I also did my own makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair my camera on my phone so that I can actually remotely photograph myself from here. So I just like press my phone and take the photo I want. So my lens, I'm going to put it on automatic manual focus, which makes it slow, but I don't have any other choice, because manual focus I have to be standing right behind the camera, which is not going to be really good. So automatic focus is the best option for me, and I hope that will encourage you to take your own photos if you don't have anyone and not have any help. And tell me what you think about this look, and I'm going to take the photos now. So let me know what you think about this look. The photos are going to be included when I take them. I'm going to shoot them off camera, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you're new here, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you're a returning subscriber. Thanks for your support. See you soon, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.